welcome back to my channel. It's Pearl and I'm so excited today to give you another video on learning about YouTube. So today's video we're talking about SEO, and I know when I first heard that word I was like, oh my word, here we go with the words again. But we're here to make it simple for you to understand, and how does SEO affect me as a new YouTuber. Alright, so SEO is search engine optimization. What that simply means is that if I type a name in or I type a topic in that I'm interested in, everything under that topic, so how, when, why, all of that will come up with that one word. They call it a keyword, you know that. So they will fill in that keyword, and that is how search engine optimization. Now, how does my keyword get found, or how do people get my keyword? Now, keywords work with your title. So if we type in, say we're doing this video specifically SEO, I could say, what is SEO? SEO, and how does this affect me as a YouTuber? These are all the titles and keywords that you're going to put together so that you can be found on YouTube. Now I'm going to show you an example on the computer. Right, so we are going to use that keyword YouTube. Again, we're talking about search engine. Here is YouTube and all the different words that come up. So this is when we talk about search engine, it's showing me I simply want to go into YouTube. So we click on YouTube, and of course immediately as you open up, it's going to come into what we call the home page. Now if you remember, this is called the home page. If your videos are found here, either the videos you find here are from your watch history, and they serve you up at the videos. Now remember, if you typed in a keyword, let's have a look here. Now these are a couple of keywords. I'm going to go travel vlog, hotel review, South Africa. So I could type this word in, and if I click it, everything to do with travel vlogging in South Africa or hotel reviews will come up here. This is one of my videos here. Let's talk quickly about this word travel vlog. I could type in travel vlog up here in the search bar, and anything to do with travel vlog. Then I could add an additional word, and this is how you build a title in order for the search engine for YouTube to find your video and serve it up to the right person. Now, there are a couple of ways that we can do that. Now, I just want to explain that to you. If you look here on the side, this, you can download this one. It's free. It's called Search Insight. This is going to help you find. This is one of them that I use. I use vidIQ, but my favorite is YouTube Explorer, and I'll explain that to you in a moment. So you asked me the question, so Pearl, how does my video get found? How do my keywords, how do my titles allow the search engine to get my video put out to the person looking for that video? In the next search bar right here, we're going to open up another bar. I want to just go in. So you type in TubeBuddy. Again, search engine. I'm looking in the search engine here. It says, you can see all the different types here. It says TubeBuddy for YouTube. So this is their official site. So you'll go into their official site, and of course you'll install the free version. As you see, I am already a member, so you'll see that I'm in. Let's go back here. Once you've installed it, you will find a little TubeBuddy little extension key. So if you press on that key, once you've installed it, now my computer's, there you go. Over here, you will see there it says I've now of course paid for the main one. Now you see Keyword Explorer. So we're just going to use this as an example. I'm going to show you how to use this so you can get this in. So we are going to type in Perlita travel. Look at how am I typing? Typing terribly, guys, terribly. Travel vlog. All right, so I just want to find out. Already it starts giving me ideas. I just want to type in travel vlog because now I want to see, how does my keyword rank in the type. Now, are we going to go, the free version, you're only going to get this unweighted version. In the unweighted version, it's poor. So it means when someone is searching for this term, look at this. You see this here? It's very good. It's sitting in the green. Anything from the yellow up is good. And if you're looking, these are just common tags, all right? Competition, there's a very little competition as far as that's concerned. And optimization, now remember we talked about optimization. How does my video actually going to be found? The strength is very good. So just with that one keyword. So we're going to go into the weighted one because I want to show you the difference here. Now, there is me. There is how many people search this term, or how many people have videos out. So if you look at the search volume, very good. Competition, fair. That means it's a good keyword. optimization strength, absolutely fantastic. The number of videos in the search results for this specific keyword to be found in the search engine is 31.4 million. So there's a lot of videos, guys. A monthly search estimation of this keyword is 85.6K, which means just in this travel, one word has allowed my video to get all of this. Now, for me, you can see it'll be good for me to use this word. Now, if we went further and we said Johannesburg, now let's see what happens to this. Here, there we go. Look at this one. This is my one. I want to just go into this one and show you. Look at this. All right, so we got travel vlog, Johannesburg, and the name of a hotel. All right, it's weighted there. It's good. It's not bad. Is the search volume okay? So Empress Palace doesn't work. Let's take out Empress Palace and just put Johannesburg. Let's see what happens now to the actual score of this particular video. Look at this. Excellent. It says excellent. Let's go unweighted and look at this. Again, search volume. Now, this is how you will find the keyword. Now, I want to show you something. If we go in to action, now take a look at this. I go action and I say optimize in the SEO Studio. Now, they're going to do all the work for me. Look at this. So I can put this in and you can type in a whole lot of different words here and it will help you out. The nice thing about this is once you've done it, I'm just going to move on for now. You see, it'll give you keywords that you could add in and you go next. And of course, every video. Now look at these. Now you can start looking at other people's titles and redesigning your title to fit in. So TubeBuddy is absolutely fantastic when it comes to using for search engine optimization. So the quick recap. Search engine optimization is me optimizing my videos in order to be found or ranked in YouTube. Now, go ahead, use TubeBuddy, guys. It'll help you to get your videos ranked and get out there. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead, click the link for a free version of TubeBuddy, and this is going to help you get your videos ranked. So, cheers, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget, give us a thumbs up. Ciao.